How to use the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image open, come over to your toolbar and you will see the Magic Wand tool here. If you click into this, this is going to activate the tool and open up a bunch of options at the top here. Before making your selection, it's important to configure this so that it works how you want it to work. For sample size, we have this drop down here and we can change the sample area of which the Magic Wand tool is going to use. For this example, I'm going to use point sample. Next, we have tolerance. Now this is going to determine how tolerant the tool is. So for example, if I set this to 1 and then click on this mug, it's only going to select a small area of that mug. So for example, if I set this to 30 and click, it's going to sample a larger area. If I set this to 100, again, it's going to sample more of the mug. For this example, I'm just going to set mine to 32. There are also 3 checkboxes to the right of the tolerance box. These options help you get a smooth selection for the item that you are selecting. Sometimes Photoshop can give you really jagged edges, especially having the anti-alias and the sample all layer selected can help give a smoother edge. One thing I will say to note for sample all layers, if you're working with just one layer, it's okay to have this enabled. However, if you're working with a project with multiple layers here, the Magic Wand tool is going to sample all of the layers just like it says right there. Now to put this tool to use, I'm going to use it to select this white background and remove it from our image. To make the initial selection, you just have to click on the area and as we can see, it's selected the white background, but here it's missed out the handle for the cup here. We can fix this by pressing Shift on the keyboard. You'll notice that the Magic Wand cursor has changed and has an add icon on it. If you now click, this is going to add to your selection. If you want to take away from a selection, you need to press Option or Alt on your keyboard. That's then going to change to a minus. You can click again to take away. For my example, I'm just going to add to my selection. Now to remove the background from this selection, I'm going to come over to the masking tool right here. Holding Option or Alt on the keyboard and clicking on the mask, that is going to remove the background and create a mask of this cup. As we can see here, we have a mask here. The white represents the cup, the black represents the background. Those are the basics for using the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop, and that's all there is to it.